From Google Docs, you can immediately generate a copy of the file and email it to someone. And to do that, you go to File and then go to Email right here. And here you can see that you can email it as an attachment. Once you click on it, you have the emailing option right here. So you can go over here, you can send yourself a copy as well. And you can just go over here and type in the email address of the person you want to mail this to. So over here, you can type in a message. So I'm just going to say hi right over here, just like this. And then over here, you can see that you have an option not to attach and include content in the mail itself as well. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go around and send it as a PDF format right over here. So you can see that you can choose the format you want to attach it as and send. So I'm just going to go for PDF and send it out right over here. So once it's done processing, it'll just email that out. Likewise, let us just email it out in another format as well. So I'm just going to go to File. I'm going to go to Email and then click on Email as Attachment right over here. And then I'm going to send myself a copy. I'm going to select the email address. I'm going to say test2. And I'm going to, let's do, for example, Microsoft Word format now and send it out. I'm also going to do this now. Go to File and Email as Attachment. I'm going to send myself a copy, select the email, test3, just like this. And I'm going to choose, let's say, the plain text format right here. So let's just send that out. One more time, email as Attachment, send myself a copy. Let's just go around, test5. And then I'm going to choose don't attach and include contents in mail this time. So let me just send it out. So now my email has been sent. So now what I can do is, since I sent a copy to myself as well, I can view what I sent. So I can go around and go to Gmail right over here. And in my email right over here, you can see that these are the things just like this. So I can go over here and you can see that now in the first mail, we attached it as a PDF file. So this has been sent right here with the message. So the viewers will be able to, that means the receiver will be able to view it as a PDF file. In the second email right here, you can see that this is the one. So it has been mailed as a Word document. So they'll be able to open this up with Google Docs if they have a Google account, or they can download this and edit it in Microsoft Word. They can also go over here onto the third button right here, which is sent as a plain text format. So only text has been emailed out. So they'll be able to download this and edit in text editor. And the fourth option right here is where we included the content in the mail itself. So they don't have to open up any attachment. So if you want to send a quick information to someone, then you can use this method. And you can see that this is how it actually comes up. It's the snapshot of the item below right over here, just like that. And they'll be able to view content right here. And that is how you can email your Google Docs document as attachment to someone with different options. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.